Hello each and everyone, the one who is watching my video. Welcome to Global Online University. In this video, I have shared the most important MCQ of People Development and Environment, which is really important for your upcoming exam 2021. One more important thing I want to tell you that every day at 6 I am uploading my video on the Global Online University. So do visit our channel every day at 6 and do watch my video to clear your exam. Before going ahead, I want to tell you one important thing which is really important for the one who is preparing for the upcoming NET exam 2021. Global Online University is providing you free video lecture as well as a free mock test. Now the question might came in your mind how you can get this test. So here is the answer on your screen. To get this opportunity, just download our app Global Online University on your mobile. The second step is go inside and select UGC NET Paper 1 October. Then there you will find 2 free mock tests, 2 video lectures free and 2 notes PDF. Join our course. The fee of our course is $9.99, in which you will get full syllabus video lecture, 60 full syllabus tests, full syllabus notes and previous year paper 2011 to 2020. Students, Global Online University is providing course for the paper 1, in which you will get 60 mock tests with the detailed solution, previous year question paper with the detailed explanation from year 2011 to 2020, full syllabus notes. You can complete these notes within the 1 or 2 days and then you can attempt the test. Plus we are providing you video lecture. For the more detail you can contact on given number. Students, there is very less time and this is the best opportunity for you to crack your exam. So join our course just for rupees 9.99 and achieve your dream. Now let's begin with the today's lecture. Which is not correct for a green chemistry? In a given question they ask you given which is not correct for a green chemistry, and the options given are design benign chemicals, design for non-degradation, design to reduce use and generation of hazardous substances, and the last option is design for strategic pathway to build a sustainable future. Before answering this question, we should know about the green chemistry. So, first we will see what is green chemistry. Green chemistry को sustainable chemistry भी कहते हैं. The design is applicable to the life cycle of chemical product. Green chemistry focus करता है on the impact of a chemical on the environment and the prevention of pollution at the molecular level. उसके जो founder है वो है Paul Anastas. In year 1998 में पॉल अनस्तास एंड जॉन वार्नर ने एक बुक पब्लिश की थी. उसका नाम था ग्रीन केमिस्ट्री थियरी एंड प्रैक्टिस. इट रिड्यूसेस केमिकल डिस्क्रप्शन इन द इकोसिस्टम. द केमिकल हैव अ लोअर पोटेंशियल फॉर अ ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, ओजोन डिप्लेशन एंड द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ photochemical smoke. So here the correct answer will be option number B. Design for non-degradation is not correct for a green chemistry, which is not component of human environment. In a given question they ask you, given which is not a component of human environment, and the options given are land, religion, community and family. Human environment ये social condition है along with the external factor that affect its natural and physical behavior. Social institutions are an essential part of any society, and this social institution performs some of the essential functions of society. The most fundamental institute of a society is family. Community is a group of people living in a particular area, sharing common norm, religion, value and custom. Human environment is a surrounding of a family, all the community, religion, value and a custom. But the land is not part of a human environment, and land does not affect the human environment personally. So the correct answer for this question will be option number A. Land is not component of human environment. Which of the following statement represent mangrove characteristic as a safety hedge? In a given question they ask you given which statement represent mangrove characteristic of a safety hedge, and the options given are mangrove trees are tall with the dense canopies. The mangrove tree provide both food and a medicine. The mangrove swamp represent the human settlement for the sea. And the last option is the mangrove tree protect vulnerable coastline as they hold the soil together. In 2004, tsunami made the people realize that mangrove can serve as the reliable safety hedge against the coastal calamities. The mangrove provide both food and a medicine that people need after any natural disaster. Mangrove trees do not get uprooted by a storm and tight because of their extensive root. The mangrove forest stabilize the coastline, reducing the erosion of the storm surge, then is wave and tide. Here for this question, the correct answer will be option number D. The mangrove tree protect vulnerable coastline as they hold the soil together. Troposphere and thermosphere belong to. In a given question, they ask you troposphere and thermosphere belong to which of the following, and the options given are atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. The layer of Earth atmosphere has been a series of a layer, each with a own specific trait. Moving upward from a ground level, this layer has a name: the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. The exosphere gradually fades away into the realm of interplanetary space. The lithosphere is a rocky outer part of the Earth. It is made up of the crust and the top part of the upper mantle. The lithosphere is the coolest and the most rigid part of the Earth. Then is the hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is the layer of the Earth's surface on the Earth. It comprises all the form of a liquid or a frozen surface, water, groundwater, and water vapor. The biosphere is the life-supporting segment of the Earth's surface, which extend from the few kilometers in the atmosphere to the deep sea slave of ocean. It is a global chain of ecosystem consisting of living organism and a non-living component feature which form the energy chain of flow. Here the correct answer for this question will be option number A. Troposphere and thermosphere belong to atmosphere. Noise pollution is created if the sound is access to. In a given question they ask you noise pollution create होता है if a sound access to, and the options given are 70 to 75 dB, 50 to 60 dB, 80 to 99 dB and 40 to 65 dB. इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया में 70 to 75 dB अलाउड है, कमर्शियल एरिया में 55 to 65 dB, रेजिडेंशियल एरिया में 45 to 55 dB अलाउड है और साइलेंट जोन में 40 to 50 dB अलाउड है. As per the section 2 clause A of the Air Prevention and the Control of Pollution Act 1981 include the noise in the definition of pollutant. Noise pollution control and the Regulation Rule 2000 was a form under the Environment Protection Act 1986. The frequency range between the 20 to 20,000 Hz is an audible range for the human ear. The firecracker generally generate about the 125 dB of noise. The correct answer for this question is option number C. Noise pollution is created if a sound exceeds to 80 to 99 dB. What is the range of intensity scale used in measuring earthquakes? And the options given are 1 to 12, 1 to 7, 1 to 15 and 1 to 5. Earthquake is a phenomena of shaking of surface of the earth. It also create seismic wave. Seismic wave are the wave that travel through the earth layer. ये जो wave होते हैं वो result होते हैं earthquake, volcanic magma movement, landslide and a man-made explosion. The earthquake produce different type of seismic wave such as a P wave, S wave and a surface wave. Seismic activity also increases due to the global warming. For this question, the correct answer will be option number A. 1 to 12 is the range of a density scale used in measuring earthquake. Identify the correct sequence of a continent in decreasing order of their yearly carbon dioxide emission at present. And the different continents are given, that are Africa, Asia, Europe and North America. And they told you to choose the correct answer from the option given below. Okay, the carbon dioxide make up the vast majority of greenhouse gas emission from the sector, but a smaller amount of methane and nitro oxide are also emitted. These gases are released during the combustion of fossil fuel such as coal, oil and natural gas to produce the electricity. According to the World Greenhouse Gas Emission Data, the correct sequence of countries in decreasing order of their contribution to the global carbon dioxide emission is Asia, then will be the North America, then is Europe and then is the Africa. According to the explanation, the correct answer will be option number B. That is Asia, then is North America, then is Europe and last one is Africa. B, D, C, A. Which of the following diseases are caused by the smoke? Given which diseases caused due to the smoke? Smoke air pollution है जो कि visibility reduce करता है. The term smoke used first in 90s to discuss the mix of a smoke and fog. Smoke usually come from the burning coal. ये industrial area में बहुत ही common है. The options given are, the first option is rickets. रिकेट्स ऐसी कंडीशन है जो अफेक्ट करती है चिल्ड्रन के बोन डेवलपमेंट को. इट कॉजेज द बोन पेन, पुअर ग्रोथ एंड सॉफ्ट वीक बोन दैट कैन लीड टू बोन डिफॉर्मिटीज. एडल्ट भी सिमिलर कंडीशन एक्सपीरियंस करता है विच इज नोन एज एस्टेमलेशिया. द सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज ब्रोंकाइटिस. ये इन्फ्लेमेशन ऑफ द ब्रोंकाइटिकल ट्यूब और एयरवे है दैट लीड टू लंग्स. ब्रोंकाइटिस को कभी कभी चेस्ट कोल्ड भी कहते हैं. कैन बी कॉज्ड बाय द सेवरल टाइप ऑफ द वायरस. द बैक्टीरियल इन्फेक्शन कैन ऑल्सो कॉज ब्रोंकाइटिस. एंड देन इज अ ब्रीदिंग प्रॉब्लम. स्मोक की वजह से सांस लेने में भी परेशानी होती है which lead to a lung cancer, respiratory infection. And last option is all of the above. For this question, the correct answer will be option number D, all of the above. The diseases caused by the smoke are rickets, bronchitis and also the breathing problem. In comparison to pure water, boiling point of impure water. In a given question they ask you comparison to the pure water, boiling point of impure water, and the options given are is same, will increase, will decrease, and last option is first it will decrease and then increases. सी वाटर जो होता है वो इम्प्योर वाटर होता है. Adding the salt increase the boiling point of water. This is because the salt is a non-volatile solid which is responsible for boiling point evaluation. The boiling point of a liquid is the temperature at which the vapor pressure of a liquid and the surrounding pressure are equal. The original boiling point जो होता है water का वो होता है 100 degree Celsius, but after adding the 58 gram of a soil, the boiling point increases by the 1/2 of the degree Celsius. So the answer for this question will be option number B. In comparison to the pure water, boiling water of impure water will increase. The next question is, the Comprehensive Wildlife Protection Act in India came into being in a year. वर्ल्ड लाइफ प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट जो है वो इंडिया में किस ईयर में आया था? एंड द ऑप्शंस आर 1979, सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज 1975, थर्ड ऑप्शन इज 1972 एंड द फोर्थ ऑप्शन इज 1973. वाइल्ड लाइफ प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट जो है वो इंडिया में आया था इन ईयर 1972. द एक्ट प्रोवाइड फॉर द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ वाइल्ड एनिमल्स, birds and plants and for the matters connected therewith or annexary or incidental thereto. ये एक्ट पूरे भारत में फैला हुआ है. For this question, the correct answer will be option number C. The Comprehensive Wildlife Protection Act in India came into being in a year in 1972. Before winding up for the lecture, I want to tell you one more important thing. Students, Global Online University is offering course for the NET side exams. इसके डिटेल आपके सामने ही है. We are providing these courses only for rupees 999. To join, please contact on given number, or you can also download our app where you will find the free trials. Students, we are providing key for your success. So do join and achieve your target.